Insulation in your home can be a big decision. Spray foam insulation has emerged as a desirable way to insulate your home. Stay tuned as I tell you the 5 cons of using spray foam insulation in your crawl space. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. With the popularity of spray foam insulation, many people choose to install it in their crawl space. In this video, I'll let you know 5 reasons to think twice before spraying insulation in your crawl space. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. It's not something that you just put up and it's instantly done. And so you need to make sure that the space isn't too damp for the spray foam to fully cure out so that you take advantage of its benefits. When spray foam is first applied, there's a certain chemical reaction that happens with the 2 units combining and expanding. And so this can give off a temporary odor. And so if you're very sensitive to odors, then this may be something you want to keep in mind. Thickness of the spray foam is everything when it comes to the benefits of spray foam. Make sure that it's being applied to the proper thickness so that you get the benefits and the savings of what spray foam can bring to your home. When you spray this on, there's little pieces that can go everywhere. We're spraying it on like almost a water, and so it does tend to splatter. So we're very careful to make sure that it's not on any finished products and it's a clean space when we're finished, but expect a little bit of mess. It's not the cheapest of all insulation options. It may be the most efficient of all insulation options, but it's certainly not going to be the cheapest. And so keep in mind that you're putting it in the right places to be sure that you're gaining your efficiency, but not overdoing it and spending too much money on the needed spray foam. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about the cons of insulation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.